Science, Unit 3, DCA. Number 1. A student must decide how to change the direction of the light so it will travel around the corner from point A to point B. The student drew the picture above in his science notebook. What other object should he add to his diagram? A. Camera. B. Mirror. C. Hand lens. D. Microscope. Two. Why does the fork appear to be broken in the glass of water? A. The light rays are refracted as they travel through the water. B. The light cannot pass through the glass. C. The light rays continue to travel in a straight line through the water. D. The light is reflecting off the surface of the glass. Three. Which of the following shows a complete circuit that will allow the buzzer to produce sound? A. B. C. Or D. Number 4. The diagram below shows how a light ray travels through a periscope. Light entering periscope, mirror, mirror. The light ray changes direction because it is being A. refracted, B. reflected, C. absorbed, or D. blocked. Question 5. A student made a list of activities that involve energy. 1. A windmill turning to pump water. 2. A toaster heating to toast bread. C. A cell phone charging the battery. 4. A canoe floating down a river. 5. Tomato plants absorbing sunlight. 6. A wolf running to catch prey. Which activities on the list are examples of the use of mechanical energy? A. Activities 1, 4, and 6. B. Activities 2, 4, and 5. C. Activities 1 and 2. D. Activities 3, 5, and 6. Number 6. A teacher takes the top and a side off a box. She cuts a hole in another side and puts a candle outside the box, as shown below. When the teacher lights the candle in a dark room, some of the candlelight shines through the hole. Which diagram best shows how the light appears on the opposite wall of the box? A. B, C, or D? Seven. Students constructed a circuit using different colored light bulbs. Switch 1, red bulb. Switch 2, blue bulb. Battery, white bulb. Switch 3, yellow bulb. What will happen if switch 3 is closed and the other switches are left open? A, only the white bulb will operate. B, none of the bulbs will operate. C, only the white and yellow bulbs will operate. Or D, only the red and blue bulbs will operate. Question 8. The circuit has 3 light bulbs and a bell. Battery, blue bulb, switch, switch, blue bulb, green bulb, switch, bell. Which procedure will result in only the blue light bulbs operating? A, close switches 1 and 2 and leave switch 3 open. B, close switch 3 and leave switches 1 and 2 open. C, close switches 2 and 3 and leave switch 1 open. D, close switch 2 and leave switches 1 and 3 open. Remember, you can look at your hard copy, the paper copy. Do not write any results on the computer. Question number 8. 9. Many people ride a bicycle for fun and exercise. Some people ride a bicycle to work because it saves money and benefits the environment by reducing the use of fossil fuels. Reflector, gear, pedal. Chain, wheels. Which of these is not an example of the bicycle using mechanical energy? A, the pedals, gears, and chain help turn the wheels. B, the wheels turn when the bicycle moves. C, the front wheel guides the bicycle as it moves. D, the reflector allows the bicycle to be seen at night. Number 10. Lasers produce a beam of light that can be focused on a small area. The teacher uses 2 mirrors to shine a beam of light from a laser onto a box. Which diagram shows how the teacher should position the 2 mirrors? A, laser, light, mirrors, box. B, laser, light, mirrors, box. C, laser, light, mirrors, box. Or D, laser, light, mirrors, box.